All right, Sophia, you're going to tell us another reason why we like to do organic gardens and what's important in organic gardening. Can you give us an example?
No chemicals.
All right, chemicals are bad for organic gardening, right?
Yeah, they're really bad
for the soil and
the soil and the trees and the fruits.
All right, all right, all right. And then we have Brianna probably to close it up. Okay, anything else that's important?
Yes, one of the most important things about planting is the feeding, people, the feeding. So, there are 4 major things to the soil. You must use organic soil, azomite rock dust, earthworm castings, and lastly some mulch.
And we also have some good micronutrients here and starters to help the microzoa and other things to get the job started to help the organic soil form, right?
Yes.
All right.
And 2 more things. Water as much as needed in your climate, your area, your region, depending on where you live. It's also part of the location too. So if you're in a drier state, you must put more water and maybe less soil. Who knows?
And do you know the importance of mulching?
No.
No, I'll tell you what the importance of mulching is. You typically use mulch because we get very little rain, and mulch holds and protects and keeps water at the root of the tree. It doesn't allow them to get dry, and they most likely die or they don't develop well. It also keeps the micronutrients and all the good bugs and the beneficial microbes in the soil to continue creating the soil.
That's one of the things I love about this channel, that you learn so many new things one day and the other. Lastly, everyone, remember to eat clean, eat green, grow your own fruits and vegetables at home. Shaka Bros. Bye!
All right. And also subscribe and like our channel, and when you come back you're gonna see the transformation with all the cool soils we have here and some of the good beneficial soils, and you'll see the tree planted, so you'll have an update in very soon. All right, more to come.